Hey guys, today I would like to show you one of my favorite reverbs that I use on snares. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. So we are going to use that on our snare top. I'm going to set my absorption in the early reflections to 3. We'll set the size to 3.5 and the position to minus 80%. Change our shape to more of a square, 70% wide and then 80% taper. Feed along to 30%. Let's adjust our low frequency roll off. Our low frequency roll off, and let's do 5. We'll set it to full wet. We'll set our filter and the EQ section. We'll roll off everything at 85. I would also like to roll off everything at 7.5K. We will push a little bit at 770 Hertz or thereof using a slightly wider Q. At the reverb tail, we'll reduce our size a little bit to 0.2. We will set our reverb time to 0.9. Phase diffusion to 80%. And we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.